Good morning, everyone. Okay. We're going to be making invisible ink for science class. You need some gloves, any citrus fruit. We have limes here, a knife to cut the fruit, a paintbrush, a piece of paper, and an iron. So we're going to take our lime and we're going to roll it so we get all the juice. Like, you gotta roll it so it's easier to squeeze the juice out. So now we're gonna cut it. Oh, I forgot. Putting my gloves on just so I don't get lime juice in my eyeballs. Right. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna squeeze the juice into here. And it's okay if you get seeds in there because we're just gonna use a paintbrush. Okay. So we're gonna take a paintbrush and we're gonna dip it in the juice. And we're gonna take a piece of paper and we're gonna make whatever you want. You can write words, you can draw a picture, you can do whatever. I'm going to draw a heart. And you want quite a bit of juice on every time you like make the picture. So it'll be darker when it is ready. Okay, so here's how it looks. And now Denise is gonna make a picture. Yeah.
What are you making, Denise? What's your picture? Flower. Oh, a flower, cute. Should be more, right?
Yeah. Okay. So there's Denise's picture. Now we're gonna let them dry. So I'm gonna take these gloves off because they've got lemon juice on them. So you could wait like 30 minutes for it to dry on its own, but I have a fan, so I'm just gonna dry it with the fan. You could probably use a blow dryer on like the cool setting to do this as well if you don't have a fan. There's water in it. So I don't know if you guys can see, but it's kind of like turning invisible slowly. Okay. So they feel dry, and as you can see, they're pretty invisible. This one is a little bit darker. So now we're going to turn on the iron to the highest setting. And we're going to put a towel underneath the papers. I'll do this one first. So we're waiting for the iron to preheat. And now we're going to take the iron and just place it on the paper. You're muted.
No. How long do you let it sit on there for, Cheyenne?
So between like 10 and 30 seconds, I guess, depending on how hot you have it. I don't know if you guys can see, but I just moved it off and it's already kind of brown.
It does have like a burning smell, but that's okay.
Yeah. And don't touch the paper until it's completely cooled off because the paper is hot. So there's Denise's. And then we're gonna do mine now. And there is mine. Gonna unplug that and set it aside for it to cool off. There's mine, and here's Denise. So, invisible ink has been used for thousands of years to send messages. Of course, they didn't have irons, but they would use candles to heat up the paper. You can use any kind of citrus fruit. You can use orange, lemon, lime, grapefruit. So lemon juice is organic, which means it's made of carbon compounds. When you heat the lemon juice with the iron, The carbon compounds break down and release the carbon. The released carbon reacts to the oxygen in the air, which makes the lemon juice turn a darker color. So in 1605, there was something called the gunpowder plot, and they used orange juice to send secret messages. So it's been around for quite a while. That's it.
Did you guys like the class?
Yes.
Do you guys have any questions?
You can make it any design you want.
Yep, anything you want. You can write words, you can draw pictures, you can do whatever you want.
I like your mask.
Thanks. All done. Okay, bye.
That was our science class for today, guys.
Good job.
All done.
Hi. What's up? Where's Drew?
Thank you. Put your mask on.
Thank you, Cheyenne, for doing class. That was pretty cool. Does Does anyone have any questions? No? I'm gonna go ahead and stop recording.